So deciding on moments are definitely hard, but the human mind actually does this amazing thing where once you get some distance from this incredible emotion that you've experienced, your brain does something called, I think in psychology, it's called a flashbulb memory, meaning you remember a snippet here, a snippet there. And so I think if you sit with yourself, you will, and let your brain do the work, you'll know which moments. There's several websites as well for writers where you can just like look up craft essays. And I think by reading other authors and seeing how they formulate their feelings on certain things is also really helpful. So just reading and sitting with yourself and letting your brain sort of show you, okay, this is the moment that matters.